Hello guys, in today's video I will talk about the night skin care routine for all skin types with the Cetaphil products. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Our first product is cleanser, Cetaphil cleanser. It helps in removal of dirt and oils, remains of pollution and dead skin cells. Cleanser helps to clean your skin and to remove dead skin cells. And make sure, I just wanted to tell you one thing, that the cleanser and the face wash both are two different things, okay? So the next step is, or the next product is Cetaphil toner. It removes traces of dirt and impurities stuck in your pores after you wash your face. It can have major positive impact on the appearance and tightness of your pores. It helps in balance pH, brightens tone, minimize the appearance of enlarged pores and boost hydration. And the third product is moisturizer. You know very well we should moisturize our skin very well. So because it creates a barrier between your skin and the climate, including cold and dry air, it also helps to rehydrate and enhance the capacity of the skin to hold water. Moisturizer बहुत अच्छा है. We should use in the morning as well and in night as well. So you should moisturize your skin very well. And the next product is Cetaphil moisturizing cream. As you know, moisturizer and moisturizing cream both are same, but prefer which is suitable for your skin. Guys, let me clear one thing more. We should always use those products only which are suitable for our skin and which are non-irritating to our skin. So moving on to the next product is eye cream, which is very useful and it helps to reduce puffiness, dark circles. It also prevent common signs of aging, so we should always use. And guys, if you like my video, so please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.